Hey YouTube, this is Apple Genius R here. I'm bringing you another unboxing. This is the Fitbit Charge HR, and it is a health and fitness band. Tracks your heart rate, your sleep, and your calories of the day. Okay, let's get into the unboxing. There's a piece of tape at the top you have to pull. I'm going to stick that right there. And there's a little pull tab. I will get this. I will do this. Oh, I got it. I almost needed assistance. Let's see.
You got your game? You got your game?
Fitbit makes a tricky box. And I've opened a lot of boxes, such as Apple's boxes. This is the tracker itself. It's pretty light. Comes in a nifty watch stand. And the screen is OLED technology. And in the actual box, you get a USB dongle, a charger. The USB dongle is for wireless syncing. There is a couple manuals, and then from here I will do a separate video after I've set it up with our account and show you how the actual heart rate sensor works. Thank you. Apple Genius R signing off.